Alright guys, uploading all the vlogs and everything that were on the MacBook. They finally finished. So yeah, everyone who, I'm gonna say this, I already said on my Facebook page, everyone who has doubted me over the past couple of days, everyone was like, oh, you're quitting YouTube and everything, you suck, everyone who has ever doubted me over the past, week and a half that I haven't uploaded, I kindly ask you to please, everything that I'm on, hit unlike on Facebook, hit unsubscribe on YouTube, right? Should be right above there. And unfollow me on Twitter, because don't need that negative energy at all. I don't mind criticism here and then, but whenever I say I'm going to do something, eventually I'll do it. So, everyone who has been giving me crap for the past week and a half, please do those actions, and everything will be fine again. So, yeah. Feels good to be uploading the vlogs. I also wanted to share something about just basically the doubts that's been happening. I noticed that a lot of my support is coming from people who actually do vlog and understand it's pretty hard sometimes, you know. Everyone else who's been supporting me over the past couple of days, thank you, and I'm very glad to please you with 11 days worth of vlog footage. Some of it not the best because it's from the iPhone, but everyone else, it's mainly been people who don't know where I'm coming from, never vlogged, stuff like that, don't even know the first thing about Final Cut Pro and how it handles rendering, don't know the first thing about codecs, anything else that makes a video take 24 hours to render. I mean, seriously, my computers, you know, they've done a really good job over the past couple of days, and once I'm back to going on the iMac, I'm going to be very glad to give my MacBook a nice little rest. I mean, it really needs it. It's been doing so good these past couple of weeks, so yeah. Everyone else, I mean, if you haven't done videos, if you haven't done a thing with Final Cut Pro, rendering, etc., codecs, if you have no idea what I'm talking about right now, just keep the comments to yourself. It'll happen. It'll happen one day, you know. The videos will be back one day, you know. Probably tomorrow. That's what I'm aiming for. If I don't get it done, sorry. Probably something wrong with either with Final Cut Pro, with finals, with hanging out with people over the summer, you know. I mean, because sometimes I do have a social life sometimes, believe it or not. You know, I'll always be doing these videos, so, you know, just chill, just relax. You got great clips. Mind you, it's only 3:30 in the morning. Jeez. Welcome back, Midnight Sun. Well, 3 o'clock in the morning, sun. Are you enjoying the day? Crazy dog. What? What do you want? You're such a little attention whore. Just kidding. I love you. My magical bass box. I love you. And I have missed you. I haven't even blasted this yet since I've been home. Oh, I cannot wait. That's what they are. Yeah. Is this what you hear, Zeus, all the time when you lay down here? Just straight bass? Lucky. Wish my life was like that. Look at all that smoke. No, that plane's not going down. It's just very environmentally unfriendly. Yeah. Well, guys, I just increased my RAM on my iMac. There we go. 12 gigabytes of RAM. Awesome. So maybe the videos will now render faster, and well, definitely whenever I switch over to Windows, I won't only need to be using 1 gigabyte for that virtual machine. I'll probably use about 4 and then have 8 left to the actual OS. So, you know, it's always good to be using less than 60% of your RAM for something, you know, just to be safe. So now everything will run faster on my computer, and it even shows up right here on, where is it, right there. Got 10 gigabytes free. That's awesome. That's a massive number for me. So 12 gigabytes of RAM, I am happy. So now things will be faster and smoother. Happy June, guys.
Oh, look at me. I was so young.
This is me, like, I forgot what I was saying. Okay, wait, well, here.
I'm going to start cleaning up my account, you know, just getting ready for a partnership, because as more months go by, I'm getting more and more subscribers.
That was in April 2010. I didn't get a partnership for like a year after that. I did it though. But, yeah. That's seriously all I was about back then. I was like, I'm not gonna get that partnership. Now it's like after the partnership, I'm just like, what? Yeah. So.
More views per month. I'm going to start reworking some of my old videos. Hey everyone, it's William here, and I have a new daily vlog channel, and I know many of my subscribers have not seen it yet. It only has about 20 views right now total on the whole account, and about 2 subscribers, so most of you, some of you are friends with me on Facebook or know me in real life, so please go check out my vlog channel, Legit Willie. That's legit with 2 eyes.
Legit with 2 eyes. I didn't even know how to say my name. I was like, Legit Willie?
I will be releasing a new video in the next 1 to 3 days, so stay tuned, everyone. Thanks for subscribing. I'm now up to 161, everyone. Thank you.
161 subscribers. Oh, watch out, man. We got a celebrity over here. Who remembers this outro? I do. Time for bed. It's about 4 in the morning. Crazy.